Back in June 8, 1963, a creature named the B-47 had attacked the city of New York, killing millions after its rampage. After the creature completely destroyed the city, it changed its course from a nuclear power plant to John F. Kennedy International Airport. The B-47 completely destroyed the airport and the surrounding aircrafts that were in the path of the giant creature. Around 23 aircrafts have been totaled and over 6,320 passengers have lost their lives. The number is currently still unknown due to the bodies being hidden inside of the infected aircrafts. We have captured one infected aircraft that was handled differently than the other normal planes. The aircraft's registration is PH-Buff and is in a good state of condition besides the big hole that is located on top of the airplane's fuselage. The passengers inside of the aircraft have all been mutated together, their flesh all combined. Witnesses say that they saw the infected aircraft bite down on the KLM aircraft and releasing a thick gas inside of the airplane. The aviation complex industry later arrived at the location and began to study the stages of mutated aircraft. Every hour the flesh inside of the aircraft began to mutate, taking on many forms. The industry took many photos of the airplane and its different stages. Some of the workers reported still hearing the passengers inside of the plane, screaming in pain and crying for help. The industry recorded different stages this specific plane has went through.